Yesterday, Microsoft added a new amazing visual, that is new card. New card, you can insert multiple values instead of previously adding a standalone card for each and every value you want to present, like these ones. Also, you can simply insert icons inside your card instead of inserting an image and adjusting its appearance to be above the card itself. All of these features are currently assembled with the new card, and also new additional features in the new card that developed by Microsoft yesterday, June 2023. If you couldn't find the card here in the visuals, you can go and check your options and settings. Options. In the preview features, you will find that you have new card visual. Check it and you will get it in your visuals. Now let's have a look how we can use the new visual by Microsoft. By adding it here, you can simply add multiple data, for example, sum of absence days, another value like average of age, another value like average of salary. Here's sum of salary, you can change it to be average like this. So you got the three values you want in a simple way by simple clicks. Let's check how we can adjust its appearance from the formatting pane. First, let's check the shapes. You can have either rectangle, rounded rectangle, and if it is rounded, you can adjust its corners like this. You can also adjust the top left only, adjust the top right, adjust bottom, or adjust all of the corners like this. You can change the shape as you want. Also, you can check the snap tab like this one to be sharp from the corners. You can adjust either from top, bottom, or customized to have different flexible shapes like this. And so on. Let's get back to the default. For the callout value, I'd like to adjust the number of digits after decimal point. From here, I can adjust only for the average salary or adjust for all. I want only for the average salary to be 0 digits after the decimal points, like this. We can adjust the callout value for each and every one of them individually or to apply the changes to all the values. If I'd like to apply the changes to all the values, I will change here the series to be all. Then change, for example, similar to the old card, I can also adjust the labels either above or below like this. Now let's check the new feature regarding the layout. Here we have the cards on horizontal orientation. I can convert to vertical one like this in a very simple way. I can change to grid. For example, I'm interested to have 2 cards in the first row and 1 card in the second row, so I will increase the number of rows to 2. I will reset to the default to have on horizontal orientation. Then I can change the appearance of cards themselves. Here I can change the background by fill. If I'm interested to add an image in the background, I will add an image from here. This image will be the background instead of the color. However, if I'm interested to add an image as an icon, I have to go to image here then it choose whatever image I'm interested in, like this one. The image will be applied to the three cards at the same time, and I will show you how to change the image to be unique for each and every card. But first, I recommend to change the image fit from normal to fit so that it will appear as an icon. Here we have the icon is convenient with the average of age, but here I need to change to $sign, for example. So I will go to the series that I want, average salary, then choose another image for it, like this one, and so on. The most amazing part here is the new feature for accent bar. Accent bar wasn't available in the previous card, the old one. So I turn it on, noting that when I turn it on, I can't edit it. This is because I'm specifying a series to edit. Accent bar should be applied to all the three cards at the same time. So I need to change to all. Then, now I can edit it. I can increase its width. I can change its position. I can also change its color. And here we can have more control on our cards, adjust them simply in an easier way to save time and look more professional for our project. Thank you and stay tuned for another videos for Power BI updates.